Hi. Recently, we worked with a lovely user, keep improving our bar chart. We feel both excited about how much progresses we have made. Probably we can say that columns is the best tool to create the best bar chart now. So let's look at what we have done for the bar chart. First, I want to show you the example dataset we're using here. It's pretty simple dataset. As you can see, it's just pulling some data from a sample database in LBase. We're going to use the status, which has 3 values: to do, in progress, and done. And a field linked value, basically linked to another table. And we fetch the title to fill in this field. And we have value. So let's look at one simple query. Just aggregate the value. Let's say sum of the value, group by status, and the link value, which is the product name. As we know that by default, we combine all the key to build the keys for most of the charts, including the bar chart. And at this moment, we can actually easily to pivot them into the groups. If I pivot into status, then the whole key will become status. Each group will have all the product name. Vice versa, if you pivot it by the product name, the keys will become product name, and inside each group will be showing all the status. Either way, let's just use this one and check what kind of options we have added. One of the options we added here is basically the spread bars. Before, you probably will see this kind of results, which is not ideal because not every group has all the keys, all the sub keys, basically the breakdown. In this case, product B has status to do and the status in progress. And this one has to do and done. And the other one has single value. So by checking on the spread bars option, it basically just like taking the space for the whole group, evenly distributed by all the valid keys. You may also notice that we added one more options, which is show zero bars. So zero bars is basically when the value is 0, because it doesn't show anything. But when we show zero bars, it will be showing some strip line under. We'll take 1 bar space. Of course, we know that we have display value option, but now we have not only color by key. Color by key is basically assign each color from the palette into each group, versus we assign color to each metric, right? This is 2 different ways. But beyond that, we also added color override. Basically means for some specific bars, you probably want some override color to make it different. So for example, in this case, I want to make it as black. So you can do that. Now you can select any key, any bar to do this. I just move in to the up a little bit. So yeah. So in this case, you can do a lot of customizations for each bar, for all the axes. And if you want to display tick line, we are make sure in all the tick lines is a line in the middle for all the bar groups. I think this is pretty much covered all the new changes and updates, improvements we've made on the bar chart. And we think this becomes very, very convenient to build the best bar charts you want. Check it out. Thank you.